From DXF import to order confirmation. A complete Smart Cut quote workflow. The process of generating a quote in Smart Cut Quote begins with importing DXF or DWG files, ensuring seamless compatibility with the latest file versions. As the drawings are brought into the system, cleanup and repair functions help eliminate any errors or inconsistencies, preparing them for accurate cost estimation. Once the design is ready, the next step involves selecting the appropriate material and sheet specifications. With an intuitive material and sheet management system, users can define thickness, material type, and stock availability, helping to optimize both pricing and material usage. After materials are set, cutting parameters must be established to reflect the specific requirements of laser, plasma, or waterjet machines. Cutting speed, power settings, and machine-specific considerations are factored in, ensuring that the estimate aligns with real production conditions. Additional costs, such as setup, handling, or post-processing charges can be incorporated, while flexible pricing adjustments allow for markups and hidden discounts to be applied as well. Once all parameters are defined, nesting calculations come into play, helping to arrange parts efficiently on available sheets. The nesting function minimizes waste and ensures material is utilized effectively, with the option to make manual adjustments before finalizing the estimate. With all costs calculated, Smart Cut Quote generates a detailed quotation, breaking down expenses for materials, cutting time, and additional charges. The quote can be emailed directly to the customer or exported as a PDF, maintaining a professional format that aligns with business branding. If the customer approves the quote, it is seamlessly converted into an order, triggering the next phase of the workflow. A process sheet is generated, providing detailed instructions for production, including material selection, cutting parameters, and any required post-processing. Alongside this, a CSV file is created for integration with MRP and accounting software, allowing for smooth data transfer between quoting, production, and financial systems. This integrated workflow ensures that every aspect of the quoting and order fulfillment process is streamlined, reducing manual input and improving overall efficiency.